sustainability involving methods that do not completely use up, destroy natural resources able to last or continue for a long time. Ay example, using a solar system. Using solar system mo up to last long gid siya also, or to maka-continue for siya for a long time, while the stability, the quality of state of something that is not easily change or likely to change, like the example, a lake of a water nga mo flow out, then mo flow in, di man siya likely change, di siya magka-likely change og kanang same ra siya og movement sa water. Sa ang sustainability po makasustain sa ta gamit if mag-solar. So the sustainability and sustainable futures are treated here as the goal or endpoint of a process called sustainable development. So ang kani kay ang future sustainable development kay kanang kuan basin dili same ang sustainability karon kaysa next generation or for the future generation, because kay ang process daw kay magka change or ang iyang endpoint kung depende siya sa unsa pag-treat sa people ang natural resources. So what is sustainable development? Sustainable development is approach to the economic development of a country without compromising with the quality of the environment for the future generation. So, ang diri kay dili gid nila na-compromise if same quality pa ba ang environment for the future generation, because ang economic development karon kay daghan na og damages like land degradation, soil erosion, air and water pollution, deforestation. Mong daghan na sa kadaghang damages karon, dili na sila maka-promise nga ding-ani gyapon ang future generation nga mga sustainable development kay tungod sa kadagko sa mga damages now. So to have a sustainable development, it should have a 5 guiding principles. So dapat masunod ta ni ang 5 guiding principle para makanatay good sustainable development, like living with environmental limits, ensuring strong, healthy, and just society, achieving a sustainable economy, promoting good governance, and utilizing information communication technology as a social responsibility. If ang kaning 5 guiding principle imo gini siyang sundon, ang naagid siya good sustainable development mo result if ato lang inang i-follow. So to have the sustainable development meets the needs of the current generation without compromising the needs of generation. So ang karon nga sustainable development naka-meet na siya sa iyang standard, but dili sila ka-promise if ang standard sa next generation ma-meet pa nila because of the damages of the natural because of the damage of the nature. So ang ilaging ma-promise ra kay ang sustainable development karon sa atong generation, di sila kakuan o same pa ba para sa future. So naay importance ang sustainable development. The goals of sustainable developments were first adopted by the United Members, whereas the concept of sustainable development aims to encourage the use of the product and serve a manner that reduce impact the environment, optimize the resources in order to satisfy human needs. It is the practice of maintaining productivity by replacing use of resources with the resources of the equal or greater value without degrading or endangering natural biotech system. So sa karon sa atong sa karon sa atong current situation kay deforestation na magid kay di grabe na, like ang mga bundok kay nangaupaw tungod sa kanang pagputol sa kahoy, then naka-experience na sa tao mo natural disasters like katong pagbaha because kay wala na kay daghang kahoy nga maka-hold sa water ning ana. Then ang kaning importance niya kay encourage na ang people diri nga kanang i-limit ang mga binuhatan because kay grabe impact ang environmental kung dili gid ang environmental community o dili ta kahibaw mo limit sa mga binuhatan sa mga human needs. Then, nasa sa ikuan, population stabilization, healthy cropland and grassland. To have a healthy cropland and grassland, dapat naagitay limit para naatay healthy cropland and grassland. Conservation of biological diversity. Yes, naday daghan natural resources din but dapat ato sa siyang reserve para dili sad siya ma-change, likely change kay ang uban nga businessman kay i-change nila, pero mas nice if ang katong ihang original. So recycle the waste and residue. So di kung makaya pag-recycle, i-recycle siya, dili ditso og labay or pataka og labay kay maka-cause man siya og pollution. So to achieve sustainable development, it can be achieved by restricting human activities. Technological development should be input effective, not input utilizing. The rate of consumption should not surpass the rate of salvation. All types of pollution should be minimized. It can be achieved by sensible use of natural resources. Yes, maka-achieve man taog nice nga nature if atong i-restrict ang mga human activities, dili patakay glabay, dili magsige putol kahoy, then i-implement siya para maka-avoid na ta sa mga sa pollution o sa mga natural disasters. We can achieve it by sensible use of natural resources. Maka-sustainable ta if atong i-restrict ang mga human doing. So, na yung mga examples: wind energy, solar energy, crop rotation, sustainable construction, efficient water fixture, green space, sustainable forestry. So, maka-sustain taan ni tanan o ngay self-limit ang mga tao. Like, kabaw na sila nga asa dapat ta saktong ilabay para maka-avoid og air pollution, dili putlo ng mga kahoy. Okay? Kana maka-help man na sa to if na ay mga disaster mo abot, maka-protect sa mga humankind. Same aning picture, maka-achieve ta na if no lang gid na to og asa atong limitation sa pag-abuso sa natures. So naay 3 pillars ang sustainable development: ang economic, social o ang environment. Ang kaning 3 pillars dili kay contain siya og unsa atong i-aim para maka-achieve tog inclusive growth, as well as to create the shared prosperity for the current generation and to continue to meet the future generation. So ang kanida dinhi ang economic o social environment na siya mga standard para ma-meet pud sa future generation ang sustainable development, ang karon nga sustainable para ma-meet sa future generation ang sustainable development karon. So naay day mga guidelines para masustain nato karon hantod masustain pud sa next generation or sa future generation. Ay og dili na to masustain karon, dili makit-an sa next generation. So naslay gi-aim din hiyo balance our economic, minimize the probability of achieving, minimizing the chances of environmental degradation. We also have the principle respect and care, improve the quality of the human life, conserve the earth, vulnerability and diversity, minimize the depression, keep then kana siya kung ato lang ginang mahibaw-an lang ta na siya og unsay dapat natong buhaton maka-sustain ta og good sustainable development. So nasa like necessity kabuk diri: no poverty, zero hunger, good health, quality education, industry innovation, reduce health, sustainable and responsible, climate change, below life, peace, justice, and strong institution and partnership for the goals. Kuha ta og good sustainable development if
Number 1. End poverty in all its form everywhere. Poverty means kulang ang income, especially less than 1.25 USD per day. Because of poverty, people cannot afford food, shelter, and education. This goal is one to end extreme poverty by 2030. It also wants poor people to have equal opportunities and jobs and resources. So, includes economic growth is important so everyone can benefit. Dili lang ang rich people. So, number 2 is end hunger, achieve food security, and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. So many people still experience hunger and malnutrition, especially women and children. Food is very important for energy and health. Agriculture help produce food and gives jobs to farmer. Mao nga importante to support farmers and improve farming methods, and this will help reduce hunger and poverty. So number 3 is ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all ages. So health is important for everyone. This goal focuses on giving people access to doctors, hospitals, and medicine. It also prevents disease like AIDS, malaria, and tuberculosis. So, vaccination is important to protect families. If people are healthy, they can live longer and work better. So, number 4 is ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. So, education helps improve people's lives. It gives knowledge and skills needed for jobs and success. So, this goal wants everyone to have access to school, college, and training. So, education also helps reduce poverty. We can help by encouraging children to study and learn. So, the number 5 is achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. So, gender equality means men and women should have equal rights and opportunities. Women should not experience discrimination and violence. They should also have equal chances in leaderships and jobs. Respecting women helps create a fair and peaceful society. Number 6. Ensure ability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. So, clean water is very important for drinking, cleaning, and health. But many people still do not have access to clean water. This goal is one to provide clean water and proper sanitation like toilets. So, it's also remain people to protect nature and avoid wasting water.
Good day, everyone. Today, I will report about Sustainable Development Goals. Goal 7, Affordable and Clean Energy. Goal 7 is about making sure nga tanang tao na access sa affordable and clean energy. Energy importante kayo sa atong daily life. We need electricity para sa lights, phones, internet, and school works. Pero daghan gyapon tao sa world nga walay kuryente. This goal promotes renewable energy like solar power and wind power. Mas-save siya sa environment. As a students, makatabang ta pinagi sa pag-off sa light kung dili gamiton, and paggamit og energy saving appliances, simple action pero dako kay siyang impact. Goal number 8. Decent work and economic growth. Goal 8. Promotes decent work and economic growth. Meaning ani, ang mga tao dapat naa sila trabaho nga safe, fair, and sakto ang sweldo. Dili dapat abusado ang workers. Daghan karon, especially young people, ang walay trabaho. Mga importante nga naay more job opportunities. Kung naay stable job ang tao, mas masupport nila ilang family. Kung strong ang economy, mas mo-grow ang country. Goal number 9, Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure. Goal 9 is about building strong infrastructure and encouraging innovation. Infrastructure includes roads, bridges, buildings, and internet. Importante ni sila para sa development sa usa ka country. Innovation means new ideas and better solutions. For example, pag-recycle og materials or paggamit og technology para mas madali ang trabaho. Kung smart ta sa pag-build og pag-create, makagrow ta without harming the environment. Goal number 10, reduce inequalities. Goal number 10 is about reducing inequality. Karong panahon na, dili tanan tawo parehas og opportunities. Nahiuban nga naay access sa good education and jobs, while others struggle. This goal wants fairness for everyone. Dapat walay ma-left behind. If we reduce inequality, mas peaceful and united ang society. Goal number 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities. Goal 11 focuses on making cities safe, inclusive, and sustainable. Daghan na kay tawo nagpuyo sa cities, mong importante nga nay clean environment, safe housing, and good transportation. We can help by keeping our surroundings clean, using public transport, and being responsible citizens. A sustainable city is a place where people can live safely and happily. To end my report, these goals remind us that development is not only about money, it is also about people, fairness, and the environment. Even as a student, we can help in small ways. Simple action like saving energy, respecting others, and caring for our community already make a difference.
Good day, everyone. I'm here to report the Sustainable Development Goal 12 focuses on ensuring responsible consumption and production patterns. So, this goal encourages individuals, businesses, and governments to reduce waste and use resources efficiently. So, it promotes recycling materials and such as paper, glass, plastic, and aluminum. So the main objective of SDG 12 is to reduce environmental impact by improving how products are made and consumed. So by practicing responsible consumption, we can minimize pollution, conserve natural resources, and support long-term sustainability for future generations. So the other one is Sustainable Development Goal 13. Climate action. So, Sustainable Development Goal 13 calls for urgent action is to combat climate change and its impacts. Climate change affects all countries through rising temperatures, stronger storms, droughts, and flooding. So, this goal supports global efforts like the Paris Agreement, which aims to limit global warming. SDG 13 encourages countries to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote environmental awareness. So, educating communities about climate change helps build resilience and encourages sustainable practices. So, the second one is Sustainable Development Goal 14, Life Below Water. So, Sustainable Development Goal 14 aims to conserve and sustainability use oceans, seas, and marine resources. So oceans play a vital role in regulating the climate and supporting marine biodiversity. However, marine ecosystems are threatened by pollution, overfishing, and climate change. SDG 14 promotes reducing marine pollution, protecting marine ecosystems, and managing fisheries responsibly by protecting our oceans. We ensure food security, economic benefits, and environmental balance. So the third one is Sustainable Development Goal 15, Life on Land. Sustainable Development Goal 15 focuses on protecting restoring and promoting sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystem. So this includes by managing forests responsibly, combating desertification, and preventing biodiversity loss. Forests and lands and ecosystems are important for maintaining clean air, water, and soil. So, SDG 15 encourages conservation efforts and sustainable land management practices. Then protecting life on land helps preserve biodiversity and supports sustainable development.
Number 16, promote peaceful and inclusive society for sustainable development. Access to justice for all and building effective, accountable institutions at all levels. Target for this goal include reduction of violence, end to torture, reduction of corruption, as well as creation of institutions and governments that work for everyone. Use your right to elect the leaders in your country and local community. Goal 16 is one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Adopted by the United Nations in 2015, it focuses on reducing violence and crime, ensuring access to justice for all, ending abuse, exploitation, trafficking, and torture, reducing corruption and bribery, building transparent, accountable, and effective institutions, ensuring inclusive decision-making at all levels. Peace, justice, and strong institutions are the foundation of sustainable development. Without them, societies struggle to grow, protect rights, or reduce poverty. Number 17. Strengthen the means of implementation and revitalize the global partnership for sustainable development. Every country and every sector has a role to play achieving the SDGs. This goal has target ensuring that countries have what is needed in achieving the rest of SDG, such as funds, capacity, and technologies. The goal emphasizes the need for partnership and collaboration. Goal 17 is the final goal of the Sustainable Development Goals. It focuses on how the goals can be achieved, while the other 16 goals address specific issues like poverty, health, education, and climate. Goal 17 ensures the countries have the resources, cooperation, and support system needed to make them possible. It emphasizes mobilizing financial resources, sharing technology and innovation, building capacity and skills, improving data collection and monitoring, strengthening global partnership. Goal 17 acts as the engine behind all the other SDGs. Without strong cooperation, funding, and shared responsibility, sustainable development cannot succeed. Implementation of SDGs started worldwide in 2016. This process can also be called localizing the SDG. Individual people, universities, government, institutions, and organizations of all kinds work are working separately but one or more goals at the same time. Individual government must translate the goal into national legislation, develop a plan of action, and establish their own budget. However, at the same time, they must be open to all, actively searching for partners, coordination at the international level in crucial making partnership valuable. The SDGs note that countries with less access to financial resources need partnership with more well-to-do countries. The SDGs started being put into action in 2016. This is called localizing the SDGs, which means countries and communities make the goals work in their own way. Everyone can help. Individuals, school, universities, governments, and organizations can work on one or more goals. Each government must turn the goals into national law, make a clear action plan, set aside money to achieve them. At the same time, countries need to work together. Poorer countries may needed help from wilder countries. That's why partnership and international cooperation are very important. Benefits of sustainable development. Here are some of the pivotal benefits that can be reaped by implement the concept of sustainable development. Global equity. Environmental benefits need to equitably distributed over the presence of future generation. Ethical guiding principle. Incorporation of the characteristic and values that most people associate with ethical behavior, democracy, equity of social justice. Physical sustainability, recognition of the limits to nature and striving towards an overall global ecological balance. Intergeneration equity, environmental resources and economic welfare should be available for future generation at least equal to the present ones. Sustained development creates a fair, equal, and balanced world. It protects the environment, reduces poverty and inequality, promotes education and gender equality, and ensure the future generation have the same opportunities to resource as we do today. What is needed to achieve the sustainable development? Eco-friendly. Present generation should aware for need presence and future generation, and also ensure the productive asset available for future generation or not. Technologies need to be developed and implemented which help to conserve resources, prevent unnecessary pollution, and help restore the environment wherever appropriate. To achieve sustainable development, we must live in an eco-friendly way. The present generation should care about both current needs and the needs of future generation. We must make sure the natural resources and productive assets like land, water, forest, and energy are protected so future generation can use them too. We also need to be develop and use technologies that save resources, reduce waste, prevent pollution, and help restore the protect the environment whenever possible.